Menu Tatu Gobrio, chapter number 7, Civicus, remaining of urban administration solved questions. Yeah? One question is multiple choice questions, या वनो को fill blank space. ये तो ऐसे ये खाली जाए तो यह लिखित dash dash are established in big cities. At क्या से जो लेखन ऐसे are established in big cities. At लेखन as municipal corporation. क्या लेखोस municipal corporation. Municipal corporation. तो तरफ फिक्रे इतना कंच ब्याक municipal councils are generally set up in those cities whose population is more than 20,000. क्या 20,000. तो इथे कनन ऐसे ब्याक त्रीम पार्ट elected representatives of a ward is known as ward councillor. Elected representative of a ward is known as ward councillor. Fourth part dash dash listens to the problems of local level. आज क्या सेवाएं चो ward councillor. इतना कंच ब्याक dash dash have not municipal corporation sugo meerut. तो द्रपिग्रे तो शेम part in a panchayat the selected members are called panchas. The second part, the city is divided into several wards. Ita kanchu byak, third part, in a municipal corporation, the selected members are called councillors. Pachu byak, name part, groups of councillors deal with issues that affect the entire city. The part, elections are held once every 5 years for the panchayat as well as for the municipality. Question number 2. Yim petkin yus, eman asan tait variya beiti, yani lafaz semit, magar meshi choose karme tum lafaz yim at mozun ch, तो तवाई थोम इमन जायन या वज़ कलम से लेकित यहाँ सुर्खी से वनो ऐसे तो यमे कर तो याद बकि संजुन तय कि तु जबानी यमे याद. Pach question number 2. Tick mark the right statement. Actually, a city is much bigger than a village. Yisho ठीक at kormek tick. Itakancho second part, municipal corporation takes care of street lights, garbage collection, etc. Yichu ठीक, शान ठीक. Municipal corporation आसा तुम आत सनान आत garbages यहाँ street light आस यहाँ बेकी आसे अगर ऐसे कुछ जाए के तो पाछे तो इनके कार्रवाई करा तो अगर ऐसे तो मगर आत नजर वजर देवान तो तवाई कोरा टेक. पाछे ब्याक all members of municipal corporation are appointed by the deputy commissioner. Yes, it's gala. Catch you. Gala deputy commissioner Shinaman Kara elector came. Yeah, appoint came. The Patkasaicho Surin part, municipal corporation is responsible for ensuring that disease do not break out in the city. Yani such as आसान जमवार के पन्निस अत अहातस मन या सो आसे म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन सह अत जिम्मेवार आसान कि ये गस न कह बेमार वतल पत ब्या पंचम मेयर इज द पोलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफ द म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन यह जन मेयर आसान यह क्या पोलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव हेड आसान कमुक म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन यह ठीक अत कर मे टिक यम सवाल करो कर पन कापी तो पत लिखियो पत करो याद ठीक अति युथ एग्जामस मज पूर पटन तुह लिखित कर पास से गो ठीक या यम सात कह एग्जाम तम सात हेकु जवाब दित बाकी शुक्रिया।